the mushroom's feet. There you go. The mushroom's body. What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. Good job, baby.
A heavy purple here and likod na back.
Okay.
It's a purple.
It's a purple.
I see a purple. Oh, see purple.
I see it, baby.
I think it's a ham toy.
You finish both of it.
Princess.
Princess and a prince, baby.
Princess in the fish.
That's right. Okay, finish coloring the body. That's right. You have to look at your work, baby. Slowly, mahal ko. Slowly. Good job, Alicia. Left and right. You have to hold your crayon in a... That's not the right way. Okay, there you go. Uh-oh. Finish. Good job. Can you write your name? Write your name.
I fixed this one.
Write your name first. Down here, right here, letter E. Right here. E. Okay, you want that one? Okay, E. Okay. No, that's E. Okay, and then the other one in the middle. Okay, here is L. No. Here is L. Here, right here. There you go. Good job. And then here is I. Okay, and then S. Can you do the S? I'll help you with the S, anak ko. There you go. And then here is H. Right here. Here. Okay. Good job. And then A. Right here. It's inverted. Okay, put a fit right here. Like that. To make it looks like letter A. Like that. Okay. Good job, Alicia. Good job. You did